The King Koil Luxury Air Mattress combines convenience and comfort for an uninterrupted night of sleep. You'll wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day. No need for bulky boxes. Travel and storage is easy with the carrying bag and handles. You can take the comfort of a full-sized queen bed wherever you go, and your guests will feel right at home. Leave the cumbersome hand pumps in the closet. The automatic two-way pump saves you time and energy. The mattress will inflate and deflate in just 3 minutes. You can use the sheets you already have. The King Koil Luxury Air Mattress keeps your standard queen-size fitted sheet in place with the soft velvet non-slip and water-resistant finish. And your guests will feel fully supported throughout the night with the extra thick comfort quilt top and built-in pillow. You'll wake up satisfied and refreshed. King Koil is the only manufacturer endorsed by the International Chiropractors Association to help promote proper spinal alignment and a healthier night's sleep. Rest assured knowing your King Koil Luxury Air Mattress comes with a 1-year full warranty. King Koil. Comfortable beds loved around the world.